Welcome again to the continuation of the topic integration. We want to see how to integrate tan raised to power 4 x dx and tan raised to power 6 x dx. Now for us to integrate, we want to see shortcut that can help us to integrate whenever we say it. Now I want to derive the shortcut in this video. Now to integrate it, we say integration of tan raised to power of nx, where n is this power we talk about. This is the same thing as integration of tan n minus 2 x tan squared x dx. This is because from indices they have tan s tan x. So if you take their common base and say n minus 2 plus 2, it will give you n. Then this is also equals to integration of, so this is the main thing that we are deriving their equivalence. Integration of tan n minus 2x, then bracket sec squared x minus 1 dx. Okay? This is because it is noted that 1 plus tan squared x is equal to sec squared x from trigonometry. Okay? So what we now do is we say expanding, we will be having integration. This times is tan n minus 2x sec squared x. Then this times is minus integration tan n minus 2x. So everything here times this will give you this times. So we keep this and say, okay, let's integrate this first. Call this u, call this the v. That tells us that u equals to tan n minus 2x. So that tan n minus 2x means tan x raised to the power of n minus 2. Okay? Then the v equal to sec squared x. Okay? That tells you that the v means differentiation of v. Now, why are we calling this u and calling this v? It's because of the formula that says integration of u dv from product rule is equal to uv minus integration of v du. Okay? So what we now do here is that we say, okay, differentiation of v is this. If you integrate this, you have v. Integrate this, you have tan x. This is because when you differentiate tan x, you have this. When you integrate this, you have this. Their integration and differentiation are opposite. Then we now say differentiate u equals to, differentiate the inside sec squared x, package the power inside, then put tan x, n minus 2 minus 1, n minus 3. So that will be giving us n minus 2 sec squared x, then tan n minus 3 x. Okay, so we apply in our formula the integration of tan raised to the power of n minus 2x sec squared x is equals to, we now say uv is what? U times v tan x dot tan x raised to the power of n minus 2, then minus integration of what is our v? Tan x times n minus 2 times sec squared x times tan n minus 3x. Okay. Okay. Then we kept this aside though. Okay. So now say this times this will be giving me tan, this is power of 1, m minus 2 plus 1, m minus 1 x tan m minus 1 x, then minus this times this will be giving me, I'll write m minus 2 first, then this time it will be giving me tan m minus 2x sec squared x. Okay? That tells us that since sec squared x is equal to 1 plus tan x, I will remove this and say this is equal to minus m minus 2 integration tan n minus 2x bracket 1 plus tan x, tan squared x please, 1 over 1 plus tan squared x. Then we now expand it will give us everything here will multiply 1 minus m minus 2 integration tan m minus 2x minus times plus minus, we now say everything times this m minus 2 integration m minus 2 plus 2 tan raised power n x. We now attach the next one. We now bring it down. Okay. We now say this is equals to, now since the totality of the question is this minus this, we now say integration of tan raised to the power of n x dx is equal to, for this one, so that is this minus this. So I will write everything for this. I will write it tan m minus 1 x minus m minus 2 integration tan m minus 2x minus m minus 2 integration tan nx, then minus integration tan m minus 2x. Now we said let everything here be called a. So whenever you see everything here, you say it is a. So this is a, this is a, okay? No, this is a, because this and this are the same. Then we now say I, a, if this go the other side, we have minus m plus, minus sign will change to plus, minus 2 a equals to, I'll write tan m minus 1x, then minus, what does these two have in common? They have tan m minus 2x in common, bracket m minus 2, then here we change to what? Plus 1. Yes, because when you expand, it will give you the same thing. Then finally, we will say if we factorize, we have a bracket 1 1 plus n minus 2 equals to tan n minus 1x minus, this will be giving you n minus 1 tan n minus 2x. Okay, we go to other side of the board to continue. We now say from here that this 1 minus 2 is minus 1, then that 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so this will be giving you n minus 1. You say n minus 1 a is equals to tan n minus 1 tan raised to power n minus 1x minus n minus 1 tan minus n minus 1 integration tan n minus 2x. Remember, I put this integration sign here because this will have integration sign in common. Okay? So what will happen now is I will say divide both sides by n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1. This will cancel this. What is our a? Integration tan. Our a is integration tan raised to power nx dx equals to, this will be 1 over n minus 1 tan n minus 1x minus, these two are the same, this cancel this, integration tan n minus 2x. So this is a possible shortcut we can use to solve that question. Now we now say with that shortcut, let's solve this question. So use this shortcut to solve the two questions we have on the board. We now say our formula is integration tan any x dx equals to 1 over n minus 1 tan n minus 1x minus integration tan n minus 2x. Okay? Now our n for the first question is 4. We now say integration tan 4x dx is equal to 1 over 4 minus 1, 3. Tan 4 minus 1, 3x minus integration tan 4 minus 2, 2x. So tan squared x. What is integration of tan squared x? Remember that tan squared x is equal to sec squared x minus 1. Okay? So it means that if you are integrating this, it means integrate this, it means integrate sec squared x, you have tan x, integrate 1, you have x. Okay? We now say, okay, this means 1 over 3 tan raised to power 3x minus bracket tan x minus x plus c. So finally, we now say integration of tan raised to power of 4x dx will be giving us tan raised to power 3x over 3 minus tan x plus c. We have it as our final answer. So we solved the second question. The second question says, integrate tan raised to the power of 6x dx. We say the formula says 1 over 6 minus 1, 5 tan raised to the power of 5x minus integration tan 6 minus 2, 4x. Okay? What is integration? Tan raised to the power of 4x. We have gotten it here. We now say this times 1 tan raised to the power of 5x over 5 minus we package this bracket tan raised to the power of 3x over 3 minus tan x plus x. Okay? So finally, for this, we now say this will be giving us tan raised to the power 5x over 5 minus tan raised to the power 3x over 3. Okay? Minus times this plus tan x. This times this minus x. Then you attach plus say. So that is the final answer to integration of tan raised to the power 6x dx. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoyed the video and like my video as you enjoy it. See you in the next topic on integration.